Hi guys, my name is Priyadarshini and welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for all of your support. And I'm so sorry that I was not able to maintain and be consistent and do the update videos because I was busy giving interviews a lot. So I hope you understand. It's very stressful. So today's video is going to be about British Airways cabin crew interview from A to Z, like from how to apply till the final round. So if you want to know everything about it, so stay tuned and let's start the video. First, which we have to apply, we have to send an email, and I'll link the email address in the description. Okay, you have to send your CV, your certificates of qualification, your passport, and any experience certificates or documents you have to attach that. And once your CV gets selected, they will give you a call within 3 to 4 days, or it may take maximum 1 week to 2 weeks. So don't worry if you don't get the email right away. You can wait till 2 weeks. Sometimes it does take 1 month also. So I don't know. For me, it took only 2 to 3 days. I got very fast. So even I wasn't prepared when I got the call. So once you send your resume and everything, I'll tell you that be ready. They can call you at any time, and keep your phone always on general mode so that you don't miss their call. So after calling, they will take you telephonic interview, in which they will ask you about yourself, about your experience, about some basic details if you have the passport and all that. We know the drill, okay? And they may ask you some questions related to your experience as well, or they can give you some situation on the phone. They'll tell you that this is the situation, and the customer is upset. What will you do? So they can ask that kind of questions as well. And what else? I'm missing something. I don't remember right now. I don't write anything, so whatever is stored in my mind, I'm telling you that, because एक महीने से ऊपर हो गया मैंने इंटरव्यू वगैरह दिए, so I don't remember that much. But yeah, that is it. After that, if you get selected, they'll send you a link in which there will be a Google form. You have to fill it with your all the details and all, and then again you will get a call and email for your further round, which will be a video call interview. So in the video call interview, first round is going to be an induction round, in which they are going to tell you everything about the British Airways and what all routes they have, and what is their fleet size, and who is the CEO, and blah 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 blah, everything. Okay, and after that it will be a personal round kind of thing. So in which there will be two recruiter, and it will be on video call. So they'll look your CV and they'll ask you some questions about your experience and yourself. First they'll ask you about yourself, and there will be a language test like I gave for Mumbai, but they did not ask me for Marathi, but they asked me for Hindi. They a day prior or 2-3 days prior, they sent you an email in which there will be a paragraph announcement, which you have to translate in the particular language which they ask you. For me it was Hindi, so I translated it. If they feel that your translation is not that up to mark, they might ask you some other questions which you have to answer in the particular language. So be ready for that. And even that, then also if they are not satisfied, they might ask you for they'll send you a link for the further language assessment. So be ready for anything like that. So after everything, if you get selected, after all these rounds, then you will get a call and followed by the email about your final interview. Okay, so if you get a call for your final interview, keep it up, congratulations, you did very well. Okay, there are thousands and thousands of people. Like when I applied, the interviewer told us that 10,000 people had applied already, and we were few people who got through till the video call interview, and very few, like 50 or 60 people who got through the final interview. So after 50, 60, you know, they just shortlist people. So even if you are making till the final rounds, just appreciate yourself and, you know, pat yourself that you did very good job. And you can, if you don't get selected after final round, that's okay, you can try again, so don't worry about it. So coming back to the final round, so go with the preparation. They'll ask you all the documents to carry all the documents, but keep your CV outside already. Okay, so that when you go in, you can hand over your CV and all the documents, the copy of the documents, so you can give the interviewer directly without wasting any time, and keep your phone on silent mode and keep it in your bag. Other thing is, they ask you for the vaccination certificate as well. Okay, both the certificates, so keep it ready, and your passport. So take the printout of the certificates and attach with your file. Okay, so that you don't waste any time. For me, I wasn't aware about the, you know, certificate of vaccine, so I had to take out my phone and show it to them. So I don't know, it was a bad impression or what, I don't know, but I feel that is totally, you know, unnecessary. So I'm giving you advice that you keep your documents ready beforehand, before they ask. So once you enter inside the room, there will be a two recruiter again, and first thing first, they'll ask you, they'll check the arm reach. Then there will be another test which you have to, like, you can bend little bit and you have to touch the floor. There will be a line on the floor, you have to touch that. That is for some safety purpose, so make sure you do that. So do some stretching exercise, it's not that difficult. Then they'll check your height. They do not check your weight, so do not panic about your weight, even if you are 2-3 kgs more or 2-3 kgs less. So that's not a big issue, so be careful and don't be panic about it. Second thing, after you done that, the interview takes almost 30 to 35 minutes. So prepare yourself, do not panic, do not get nervous. The interview process is very easy. The interviewers of British Airways are very lovely. They try their best to make you feel comfortable and you don't feel nervous at all. And honestly, I love their interview process. They have the proper checklist to ask questions to the candidate. It's not that randomly they are thinking something and asking, and just 2-3 questions and you are done with that. They have checklists to follow, which I love, you know, the proper procedures they are following, and very easy. They'll offer you glass of water, I'll tell you, take that glass of water. Do not say nee, it's okay, do not, just take that, so that you get more time to prepare yourself, to calm yourself down. Okay, questions, what kind of questions they'll ask? Everything related to your CV and your experience. For me, I'll tell you, after seeing my CV, I have done work in school. I used to be a special educator for the Down syndrome children. So they asked me about that, whatever challenges I have faced, and what was the difficult time, and how did I manage, why did I left, all those kind of questions. Okay, and cross questions as well. So prepare yourself, give example. Balance your answer, support your answer with the example, how you handle the situation. Okay, after that, if you are prior cabin crew, if you have prior cabin crew experience, they can ask you related to that as well. So be ready for that. Like, I'll give you example for one question, that is, tell us the time where you have had to deal conflict between the team. Okay, or give us example and tell us the answer, tell us about when you solve the problem of the customer, like that. This kind of questions there will be. So very basic questions. If you are experienced, you will be able to answer each and everything. I'll just tell you that do not get panicked, do not and do not lie. Yeah, very important. They get to know. If you are lying, if you don't have the experience, just take your time to think about it. I'm sure you must be, if you are not cabin crew also, any like if you are from hotel or call center, anything, you'll get to know, you'll find some or other answer. Okay, so take your time. They give you time to think, so take your time, think and answer. Do not lie, do not make up things, because they get to know. I have done that, okay. But they get to know. So that's it for the video. I hope this video helps you, and all the very best for your interviews and applications. And recent recruitment which they are hiring in Chennai, but you must know Tamil, how to read and speak. And yeah, how to read and speak, only then you can apply. And for Delhi also they are hiring. So the last date for the application is 19th of January, so make sure you apply before that. And yeah, if you like the video, please do support me, like and share, subscribe and share to your friends who are going for the interviews, so it will help them as well. Okay, bye bye. And any suggestion you have, please comment down. Okay, bye, best of luck.